Most parts of Bangalore recorded thunderstorm accompanied by heavy rainfall on Tuesday night, flooding streets and homes, jamming traffic and stopping road users in their tracks. The metro on Green Line at Mantri Mall station had to be stopped due to power failure caused by the thunderstorm before services was restored. The BBMP control room received complaints of flooding in 15 localities including Indranagar, Mahadevpura, Hosakerehalli, Jeevanabhima Nagar and Mahadevpura. Please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more news updates.